Hello, this is Benjamin from Macaulay. Today I'm going to show you our 4G transmitter, which is H2600 series. And usually we will settle down all the devices before delivery. But if no, I'm going to show you how to debugging our devices to our server so you can view your values, view your data all around the world by computer browser or cell phone application. When you receive our devices, you need to open the housing and take a screwdriver to take all four screws out. And you need to prepare a micro SIM card to insert at the back of the board. After this, hold your press on the left of the monitor. There is a button. Hold your press. After device turn on, just connect the device to computer by Type-C cable. The application we are going to need is called TP Assistant. First, it's click Communication and find correct port from your device management and refresh. Once you insert the SIM card, the device should identify your SIM card's IMCI, ICCID, and it should pick a signal. The signal usually is between 15 to 30 dBm. If it's below 15, it may cause failure to connect to server. If the signal is 0, it may has APN elimination, so you need to contact your telecom operator to ask for APN username and password. And next is our server address is 1883.dtuip.com. The server port is 1883, and next is client ID. It's the identification from the device to our platform. And also the username, password, topic, and subscription. Number 37, here are upload frequency. Because we are doing testing today, so I just said 1 minute now. The next is collecting frequency. It will times 10 here, so I just type 6. It means every 60 seconds to collect. And number 39 is display decimal. Number 40, it means package upload. Once you turn on this function, for example, if your upload frequency is every 10 minutes and your collect frequency is 1 minute, it will upload 10 values for each time. Next is number 41. This function is for upload every hour or clock. Once you turn on this function, the upload frequency won't be activated anymore. These are the all settings we need to mention for the device. And don't forget, once you change anything, you need to click number 1 to save and restart. For the next step, we're going to the platform. You may ask for the account and password from our customer service. Once you log in, shift the language and device management, add device, paste the client ID from the TP Assistant. You may rename here. And select your time zone. The dropping means dropping delay because the upload is just few seconds, so you can stay your device online. and change the unit, anything you want. Of course, you need to follow your order. And click anywhere on the map and create device. After creative, you need to back to monitoring center. As you can see, your device is still offline, so we need to click the setting, type F for pressure, T for temperature, V for power, and Q for signal, ICC ID for SIM card. After typing, there is no need to save anything, just back to monitoring center and restart the device. After 30 to 40 seconds, the platform will show the values. As you can see, the pressure is correct, the temperature, the signal, and the power capacity, and also the ICC ID. In case if you didn't see anything on the platform after restart, you need to restart again and click monitoring, select original data and debug information and start. There were some codes come out. Once you see send OK, it means upload successfully. But if no, you may take a video for 1 to 2 minutes of this page and ask for technical support. And also you need to contact your telecom operator to ask for APN username and password.